How does 25-50-25 cover bodily injury? If you have ever wondered how car insurance works, you are not alone. Today, we will break down the specifics of a common liability coverage limit known as 25-50-25. This configuration is essential for understanding how your insurance protects you in case of an accident. Let's start with the first number, 25. This figure represents the maximum amount your insurance will pay for bodily injuries to each individual involved in an accident. So, if you are at fault and one person suffers injuries, your insurance will cover up to $25,000 of their medical expenses. This is a critical aspect of your coverage, as medical bills can add up quickly. Next, we have the second number, 50. This indicates the total amount your insurance will pay for all bodily injuries resulting from a single accident. For instance, if two people are injured and each requires $25,000 in medical care, your insurance will cover the full $50,000. However, if 3 people are injured and each needs $25,000, your insurance will still only cover $50,000 total. This means you could be responsible for any additional costs beyond that limit. Now, let's talk about the third number, 25, which pertains to property damage liability. This is the maximum amount your insurance will pay for damage to someone else's property, such as their vehicle or a building. If you cause an accident that damages another person's car, your insurance will cover up to $25,000 for those repairs. In practical terms, a 25-50-25 policy strikes a balance between coverage and affordability. It provides a level of protection against financial losses if you are found at fault in an accident. However, it is important to remember that if the damages exceed these limits, you could be responsible for paying the difference out of your own pocket. When choosing your liability coverage limits, think about your financial situation and the potential risks you may face on the road. A higher coverage limit may offer more peace of mind, especially if you frequently drive in busy areas or have significant assets to protect. Understanding how 25-50-25 covers bodily injury is vital for making informed decisions about your auto insurance policy.